me. Funny how Bessie turned into my end. I must be playing peekaboo, cause these hoes really can't see me. Beauty by Bree. Real motherfucking hot girl shit.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back. So I have some super exciting news for you. Maybe I should turn this down. So hey guys, I have some super exciting news for you guys. Like well, first of all, I am super excited already as it is. So before I tell you guys what the super exciting news is, obviously I'm gonna need you guys to follow me on Instagram and vibe with Bree, period 2 underscores, and follow my beauty page, which is beauty by, oh, I should have kept the name, which is not Beauty by Bree anymore. It's called Bree's Boutique, period 3 underscores. All of that will be in the description box below for you guys. Let me turn this down. Scooby-Doo. But if you haven't checked out any of the other videos, we'll check those out as well. Links to all my discount codes will be in the description box below as well. So I am proud to announce that I am officially a hair ambassador, and I'm super excited about that because I love hair. If anybody knows me very well, like, I love some bundles, I love hair, I love it all. And I have the package right here, so I'm going to be unboxing the video for you guys, explaining the texture of the hair, which sizes that I got as well too. Oh, I forgot to give you guys the name. I'm so excited. But I am going to be a hair ambassador for Lust Hair Collection by V. They are located in the ATL or and LAX area. So this is what the Instagram looks like from y'all's view. You know, make sure y'all give them a follow on Instagram. But I'm really gonna just go ahead and open this up because I'm super excited to see this hair. I'm not even holding it. I'm like super excited to put it on my scalp already. And this is perfect because I have a photo shoot coming up that I'm going to be, yo, I can't find no scissors. I'm going to just need this hair for. So this came at the right time. I don't have a discount code yet as well. I'm waiting for them to let me know what my discount code will be. So once I find out what my discount code is going to be, you guys will, you know, obviously know too. So make sure you are following me on Instagram to find out what that discount code is. And in the next video also, I do have a giveaway coming up, so I might add these bundles in the giveaway as well. But in the next video, I have decided which brands that I've chosen to do the giveaway with. So yes. Oh, there's a whole bunch of things in here. Perfect. Okay. Why do I feel like everything was in here, like my discount code and everything? I don't know. But we about to see right now. Okay. I love these business cards. They're so thick. All right, awesome. So I'm gonna start with, I don't know what to start with, but I'm going to start with the business card. I love this. And first of all, I love what I don't know what kind of like material this is, but it feels amazing. Like I could bend it if I really wanted to, but it's really thick. It's thick. So this is I'm gonna say this is the front of it. It has her brand name, Instagram, Facebook, and they're on Twitter, and the website is down below. And this is the back of the business card. Like, this is really cute. Like, I love this. She gave me a few of those, which I'm going to keep one for myself, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have about 4 here that I will be giving those out to people at my job because I know they love lots and lots of hair. And here is the thank you note, and it says, are they the same? Okay, so it's thank you for shopping with Lust Hair Collection by V. Use code blank for 10% off your next purchase. Please tag us and use hashtag Lust Hair Collection by V in all your photos. We really would love to see you in the hair and to show our love. So again, the Facebook, the Instagram, the Twitter, and the website is on the back of the thank you note. And this photo right here is actually on their Instagram page, and it is, wait, is it? It's something similar, but I definitely think, excuse me, this photo is on there, and I'm going to actually keep, oh, it's 2 different photos. Okay. Okay. I should have got this one. I should have got this color here. This is a bomb color right here. I'm going to actually keep both of my thank you notes. I'm going to keep both of those. All right, so moving on to this. I got a bonnet. Oh, yes. Oh, it's a reversible bonnet. I'm loving this. As much as I love me some hair, I love me some bonnets too. And it's like, it's really scratchy. And I love the fact that it has her brand name on it, just as much as, you know, mine's do too. This is reversible though. I can't reverse mine's in and out. I love this. So it gives me the option to be like, okay, do I want it on this color or do I want it on the other color? Either or, yes. And this is the hairband. I'm not sure how you use these things, but I'm gonna utilize this in every way possible. I can utilize this every way possible. Right, so now we're gonna move on to the hair. First and foremost, the hair is wrapped up in their own tissue paper with their brand name on it. I already love that too as well. That's an A+, and I'm going to keep this. I definitely am. I'm a sucker for things like this with brand names on it. The packaging is A1. Okay, so I got bundles, 3 bundles, and I got a frontal. I believe this is the frontal. It's a frontal or closure? I believe it was a closure. But I got sizes 14, 16, and 18 in a natural color. Kind of makes me wish I should have gotten the blonde, because I've been dying to do blonde on my hair, to try out blonde. So this is what the 14-inch looks like. 14, right? This is the 14-inch. Oh my god, the texture is amazing. There's no smell to it. It smells great. And this is all human hair. And it has her information on here on this as well, like the tagline. So this is the 14. Texture is super, super soft. I'm going to put this back inside of the baggie. Go back in. Okay, that's the 14-inch. Come on. Okay. I don't need that. So I'll just put that right there. Put this right there. I'm not gonna need any of those anymore. This is the 16-inch. This is a 16-inch here. Again, texture is super, super nice. No smells at all. And last but not least, I'm gonna do the 18-inch for you guys to see and show you guys the front one and then the closure that I got. Okay. And this is the 18-inch. Wait. Yes, the 18-inch. So I'm gonna end at the ending of this video, I'm gonna put all the hair side by side so I can exactly see the difference in them. And I show you guys the difference in them as well. But this is the 18-inch, and I really have no complaints with these bundles. I'm gonna be flourishing with them. I love these. Love, love the bundles. Okay, and last but not least, this here. So it's attached to the thing. Okay, so maybe I'm not gonna keep that on there. But damn, it's already coming off. Okay, don't wanna mess up the hair. Wait a minute. But okay, here we go. So, I gotta go onto my necklace. Come on. So, this is a frontal. I've never gotten a frontal. Oh, it's already plucked with the baby hairs. But I am having my coworker Kimmy do my hair, and she does really great frontals and closures. So this is what this looks like. It has the baby hairs already plucked out. I don't know if I have to bleach it or anything, but I like the fact that it has baby hairs already. We don't gotta do nothing extra to it. Perfect. This is what the other side of it looks like. And so the frontal is 14 straight. So it's gonna just directly align up with the 14-inch bundle. Alright, let's put this back in there. Don't want to mess this up. It's like butter. I'm actually put the bundles in here too, just so it don't take up a lot of space. But I'm sure this is to lay down the closure piece. But no, I definitely love everything in my packaging. I'm going to be doing an after review too as well for you guys, but I might be doing the after review on Instagram. I'm not sure quite yet, but make sure you are following me on Instagram so you can see what the hair looks like on my head, because I'm going to get this installed very soon. If you guys do have any questions about the hair, definitely leave them in the comment section below. But definitely give them a follow on Instagram too. Check out their Facebook as well. Give them a like. And again, they are located in ATL in the LAX area. So summertime's coming up. Grab your bundles, ladies. Grab your bundles. But no, I'm super excited. Like I said, once again, when I have a discount code, I will be giving it to you guys as well, so you can purchase with my discount code. So just really make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's where all the good stuff happens. And make sure you're watching my stories and keeping up with my posts as well. So that's really all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to get on here and share this exciting news with you guys, because I'm super excited. Obviously you can tell I can't get my words out, but I will see you guys in the next video. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this a like, comment, and again, if you're not subscribed, go hit the subscribe button. I don't understand what you're waiting for, and I will see you in the next video.